the casual conversation, we hear people talking. Did you visit Singapore? Did you visit Bali? Did you visit Ooty? Did you see Taj Mahal? So many things like that. But I would like to add on to that. Did you visit Vamanjur, where our Mangalore City Corporation converts our waste into some useful items? But hardly very few people think of visiting Vamanjur. The schools, colleges, many people take students for excursion, trip and all that. What I would suggest is that let us all go to Vamanjur, where our waste, what are they doing with that? What is the difficulty they are facing? We all talk about human resource management. We talk about financial management. We talk about time management. I think it's high time. It's not only that we talk about waste management, but also do something, not in a very big way. Let us begin it from our homes. Home is the best place. Who does not have waste at home? Everybody has waste. But in Mangalore, what is the reality? More than 60 to 70% of our people are not even segregating our waste. So what we need to do, before we convert our waste into manure, we need to at least learn to segregate our waste. We are so thankful. Mangalore City Corporation, the workers come to us almost every day. Even during the COVID period, they had come to us to collect the waste. But we, the so-called educated, Buddhivantara Jille, but we still have not learned to manage our waste. So my humble request at this point is that we need to learn to segregate the waste from not in Vamanjur, but in our house. Wet waste, dry waste, hazardous waste and e-waste. At least these four, but at least the Mangalore City Corporation every day comes and takes the wet waste, once a week the dry waste. In that you could put all the other, but still some of us who are interested will segregate e-waste and all that. But at least minimum what I request is that let us at least do two divisions, wet waste and dry waste, and let us convert that wet waste into compost in our own house. Actually, I don't have to wait for the Mangalore City Corporation personnel to come and take the waste every day. I can do it at my own time, any time of the day. Aram se I can do it. I convert that waste into manure. I give it to environmentalists where they plant all around the city. That goes very little, my little garden, for that I use. But what is very important is that by doing this, I am contributing a bit for Green Mangalore, less methane, less pollution, less flooding, and more greenery in the city. Let us all join hands to make our city clean and green. Thank you. Thank you.